Now we see setting the font style of cells. That is setting the font style of Excel spreadsheet. First, we need to see which model we have to import. Now, from open.pyexcel.styles, we have to import font, style model. Here, first we are going to import OpenPyExcel, and then from OpenPyExcel.styles we are going to import font, styles. Then we are going to create a reference for workbook by using OpenPyExcel.workbook, and we are going to store it into WB. Now the reference to the sheet is stored in the variable sheet or in the object sheet. Now first we are creating a reference to the font by using font method with the size equal to 24, italic equal to 2. Okay, the reference is stored to italic 24 font. Now the style object from the font method, from the font object, style object is created by using style method and by using font equal to italic 24 font, the same object. And then sheet of A dot style bar style object indicates the style of the sheet of cell A1. It has to be changed to A1 cell. Okay, and with the style object, with the style object, style bar style object, and then sheet of A1 equal to hello world indicates the word hello world is stored in that cell, and it will be having the style with the font size 24 and italic. Okay, hello world will be showing the style, and then the workbook is saved by using wb.save. Then file name is styled.xlx. Okay, next font object. We see font object here. The font having these styles, font name which is of string type. For example, font name such as Calibri Times New Roman. Next, size integer, which is nothing but the font size. Okay, and then another keyword argument is bold, which is data type boolean. Means if bold equal to true, it indicates boolean. And another style is italic, it's boolean. If italic equal to true, then the style will be italic. Now we see how to set these styles. In this program, we know that first OpenPyExcel model is imported, and from that style and font and style models are imported from OpenPyExcel.styles. Then a reference to the workbook is stored in the WB. Then WB.getSheet by name sheet. The sheet reference is stored in the object sheet. Then font object 1 equal to font name equal Times New Roman, bold equal to true. Okay, with the font name Times New Roman and bold true. Font object 1 is created. Style object 1 equal to style of font equal to font object 1. From the font object you are going to create a style object. Then sheet A1 dot style bar style object is nothing but you are going to set the style to A1 cell. Okay, and then you are going to store the value bold Times New Roman in the A1 cell. Then see here this bold Times New Roman because bold is true and font name is Times New Roman. Here italic is true and size is 24. The font method and reference is font object 2. Style object 2 equal to style of in bracket font equal to font object. Okay, because first we have to create a style object, font object, then we have to create a style object from that font object. Then sheet of V3 dot style bar style object is setting the style to V3 cell with italic true, and then sheet of B3 equal 24 italic, storing 24 point italic to B3 cell. wb.save saves the XLS file with the result is 24 point italic. Thus we can change the font and style of the fonts by using font and style model of the OpenPyXL.styles model. Result is this.